The 2022-2023 Nissan Pathfinder features an intelligent oil life prediction system that goes beyond a simple mileage counter. This system uses sensors to monitor engine temperature, RPM, and your driving habits to determine actual oil quality. The system displays the remaining oil life as a percentage on the vehicle's multi-information display. Resetting the monitor after each oil change is crucial to maintain accurate readings and help prevent potential engine issues. Before resetting the oil life monitor, ensure your Pathfinder is parked with the engine off. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This activates the vehicle's electronics, allowing access to the necessary menus. Make sure you have completed the oil change before resetting. Use the menu button on your steering wheel to navigate through the vehicle's settings. Press the menu button repeatedly until you see settings appear on the display screen. From there, navigate to Maintenance, then Oil and Filter. Select Reset to initiate the oil life reset process. A beep or on-screen prompt will confirm the reset. If your Pathfinder has a touchscreen infotainment system, the process is similar. Access the Settings menu on the touchscreen. Look for Maintenance or Vehicle Maintenance. Select Oil and Filter and then tap Reset. Confirm your selection when prompted. This method offers a more visual and intuitive approach. For Pathfinders without advanced infotainment systems, there's an alternative method using the trip computer. Locate the trip button on the dashboard, typically found near the instrument cluster. Hold the trip button for a few seconds until the oil life menu appears on the display. Once the menu appears, navigate to and select the Reset option to reset the oil life monitor. This method provides a straightforward alternative when steering wheel controls or touchscreen are not available or malfunctioning. After resetting the oil life monitor, the system may require a short drive to recalibrate accurately. This allows the sensors to adapt to the new oil conditions. In the days following the reset, monitor the oil life percentage displayed on your dashboard to ensure it's functioning correctly and decreasing appropriately over time. If the percentage seems inaccurate or doesn't change as expected, such as staying at 100% too long or dropping unexpectedly, consult a Nissan dealership for a professional diagnostic reset. A common mistake is resetting the oil life monitor before actually changing the oil. Only reset after an oil change to avoid inaccurate readings. If the reset fails, double-check that the ignition is in the on position and retry the process. Some users on Nissan forums report issues after tire rotations or battery replacements, sometimes requiring a full system reboot or dealer intervention. Nissan is integrating machine learning to predict oil degradation more accurately, potentially reducing unnecessary oil changes. Vehicle-to-everything connectivity allows syncing with apps for proactive alerts. Future Pathfinders may feature autonomous resets via electric vehicle hybrids, with app-based resets becoming increasingly common.